Let's see what the mad scientist is up to today.
Can I help you?
Well, yes, sir, you can. Can you tell me what goes on in this crazy lab of yours?
Come on in. You need safety glasses? Here we go.
Thank you.
Okay. Come on in, I'll shut the door.
Okay.
Well, in this lab, we test leachate for it to go on to it's a pre-treatment system that goes to the POTW. What else would you like to know?
What's all this crazy equipment in here?
This is a colorimetric DR3900, which is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment that analyzes leachate in order to determine its nitrate, and ammonia.
Well, how do we generate leachate?
That brings me to here. As you bring the trash across the scale to the cell, the trash is deposited into the active work phase. Rain, along with the compactor, mashing the juice plumb to the bottom. Trash juice, that is. Trash juice is collected at a leachate containment system, comes through a pipe, goes to a plant where bugs eat the ammonia, and the discharge water goes to the POTW.
Okay, so what's the purpose of all the equipment? Why all the chemicals and stuff, and why do you have those silly blue gloves on?
Well, first off, the constituents in this water we don't know until we test. When we test, we verify that all the trash that comes in from every place and everyone's trash can could have anything that can be put in a bag. Whenever it comes here, we don't know what's in it, so therefore we need to wear gloves, glasses, proper lab attire in order to prevent chemical burns, possible introduction of infection to cuts, abrasions, things of that nature.
All right. And how do you ensure safety each and every day in what you do with this leachate water, as you call it?
Well, the leachate water, I go to the plant, pick it up, and bring it down to sample it. You always make sure that your containers are clearly marked. That way nobody picks it up thinking it's sweet tea. I bring it down. I wear gloves, glasses, lab coat. I'm wearing protective boots as well. So, brings me to my next point. Upon testing the leachate, I put it in these vials. I run it through this machine. These vials can contain things to raise the pH or lower the pH. In that instance, can actually cause foam out. pH, do you know what pH is?
It's letters of the alphabet.
Okay, pH, you are 7. That is why we base the pH scale on 7. You're 7.0. So anything above or below is harmful to you. We use this. And this is sodium hydroxide. Which,
I thought it looked like Kool-Aid.
well, it is sodium hydroxide, which increases the pH to release the ammonia molecules from my machine to test. We also use 1,000 parts per million ammonia as a standard in order to calibrate our machinery. Over on the far side of the bench, you notice I keep it segregated, is an acid. Acid is used to measure alkalinity in the water. You keep your acid stored separately from anything else that could react. Remember in science class, the old vinegar and baking soda?
Yes.
Well, there's an eruption there.
Can we do that?
We probably could if we had it, but I do not have that in this lab. This is not a food grade lab. As you see, there's no food products in here. It's all business. What else would you like to know? Because I have plenty to do.
Well, I think that gives us the basics of safety for today in the lab, Mr. Mad Scientist.
Thank you so much.